Today, I'm going to show you how to change the currency on a QuickBooks invoice. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. From the dashboard, go to the top right corner and click the gear icon. Then select Account and Settings. This opens your company settings. From the left side menu, click Advanced. Scroll down until you find the Currency section. Click the pencil icon to edit the currency settings. Now, choose the currency you want to use. For example, you may see options like USD, CAD, EUR, or GBP. Make sure you choose the correct currency for your business or invoice needs. Once the currency looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will apply the currency setting to your company documents, including invoices. After saving, you can create or open an invoice and check that the currency symbol and formatting appear correctly. So the steps are: click the gear icon, open Account and Settings, go to Advanced, find Currency, choose the correct currency, and click Save. And that's how to change the currency on a QuickBooks invoice in 2026.